Hello. It's been a while since I put a video up, and I'm almost done, and I didn't think to do a video until just now. I guess I could have shot it as I was building it, but I'm just going to try to recap. I wanted a drone that when it was in the air you would definitely see it. So I put some LEDs on it. I got them on that side, got them on that side, got them on the bottom, and then I have this many left, a whole lot of them. So I might do it again. I might add more. So what I did was I powered, I know it's kind of dark and I'm shaking around with the camera and there's not enough light. Let's see, will this light go on? No, I didn't plug it in. Of course not. The flight controller here is 5 volt. 5 volts is powering here. Then I move the data wire over to this bank, and I have a little buck boost converter power supply here. Supposedly it's good for 3 amps. Not. It was getting so hot you couldn't touch it at 2.5 amps. So what I decided to do was employ the flight controller, because this was supposed to do half and the one in the back was supposed to do half. I put 2 of these converters on here. So instead I used the flight controller power to do the left bank, and then the one in the back to do the right bank, and then in the front I'm doing underneath. The way I have the data wire going, it starts here, and then that's where the 5 volts from the flight controller end, because there's no power out wires here, only the data out. So the data out shoots over to this side, and of course we got the data in, and the red and the black wires are from this back in the back here. As long as the negative is connected on both backs into the negative of the battery on the well, the negative to the battery. If they're both connected to the negative of the battery, then the negative's all common throughout everything, even if you're supplying a different positive voltage to the LEDs. What else was I going to say? Well, why don't I stop talking and just power it up and show you some light. And then I'm going to get fancy with it and program different colors. So yeah, it's really bright. So I got both sides. Oh, what I was going to say was these LEDs generate a lot of heat. And I have, fortunately, this came with a PDB with LEDs on it, so it's pretty cool. I got lights that were already on it, on the back and the front. So when this thing is running and the propellers are spinning, I'm not going to be so worried about the heat. I did have it running for a while, and the back and the front, which you can see a little better now, and the back and the back ran cool. Like I said, 2.5 amps. When I touched it, I got burned. Now they're running cool. That's it for now. So I'm finished with this. This is my final configuration. I'm not too worried about covering the front because it's going to fly at dusk and you're not going to see a lot of detail. These LEDs are the built-in LEDs at the bottom, which are a nice touch. And I have it ready to go. All I need to do is flip the switch on the transmitter, and there we go. And this is the pattern I used. Same for this side. And in particular, I like the underside. Can't wait to try it at dusk. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you know what? Nah, I'm not going to arm it. Forget it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
You can't see jack.
I don't think so. I'll bring it back down.
Yeah, at least let me get another, if you could do another takeoff, because I botched it. I didn't get anything.
Sounds like a
Oh no!
Jesus.
I don't know what happened to it.
Oh.
No. Oh my God. The lights are.
What the
Maybe
hell?
the propeller's bent under the pressure or something.
Someone shot at it.
It honestly, it completely like you just lost
Yeah.
complete transmission, and it just like.
Yeah.
Well, I was
Did you
technically
get that on
recording. Well, I can't.